Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain why a Canadian Prime Minister might resign. Understanding the complex reasons behind such a significant political event offers valuable insight into the dynamics of governance. We will explore the various pressures and circumstances that can lead to a Prime Minister stepping down from their leadership role, from political challenges to personal considerations. One major reason for a Prime Minister's resignation is intense political pressure. This can stem from a loss of confidence in Parliament, where the government no longer holds the support of the majority of elected officials. Widespread public dissatisfaction or significant internal challenges within their own political party can also make a leader's position untenable, prompting them to step down. Ethical breaches and public scandals are another critical factor that can lead to a Prime Minister's resignation. When allegations of misconduct or corruption surface, they can severely erode public trust and the credibility of the government. The pressure from media scrutiny, opposition parties, and the public can become overwhelming, often resulting in a leader choosing to step down to mitigate further damage. Finally, personal and health reasons can also lead a Prime Minister to resign. Serious health challenges, family commitments, or simply a desire to retire from the demanding nature of public life are all valid considerations. These personal decisions, while private, can have significant public implications. Before you go, check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.